What's up, everyone? It's your boy SEMO-MAC. He's back. Got something for you here. And it's not a knife, imagine that. But anyway, here we go. So this was sent out to me by the company, and this is going to be a tough one, but I'm going to take a stab at it, and I'm going to throw it somewhere up here so y'all know what I'm talking about. This is actually from a company called Sudakashen. I think that's how it's pronounced, but hey, I gave it a shot. So Sudakashen, something like that, but it'll be thrown up here. But it is that time of the year. Oh yeah, I'm talking about barbecuing and grilling. And yeah, look, I got my shirt. Yep, this is the barbecue social club. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I try to match when I do my product reviews. Come on. So I got a cleaner that was sent out to me. So the company sent this to me, asked me if I would do a review on it, and I'm like, heck yeah, bring it on. Let's go. It's not a knife, so bring it. So anyway, what we got here is a cordless cleaning brush. Pretty much is what it is. A little bit about this thing before I get it out. It is cordless. It's going to come with like 2 brushes. It's actually a pretty nifty little setup, I'm not going to lie. And when I get this thing out, yeah, you're going to see that it's already been used, because that's what I do. I use the stuff that is sent to me, so I can tell y'all if I like it or not. And then y'all get to make the decision on, hey, do I want that or do I not want that? So it is used because I've used the crap out of it. So with that being said, here we go. What you get in this is the unit, and it's kind of a haul, so I ain't gonna lie. You get 1 stainless steel brush, all right? You also get a nylon brush as well. Put that right there. You get your charger, which is HDMI. So I believe that goes HDMI to straight to, yeah, USB-C. And they also give you a pair of gloves, which I'm not going to show you these gloves because they are dirty, because I have been using them. And if you think I'm lying, I'm just going to go ahead and show you anyway. Even though I said I wasn't going to. See, that they don't come like that. That means, you know, your boy here has actually been trying this thing out, and yeah, they did get dirty. And I will tell you, they are a tad bit small, because, you know, old SEMO-MAC here's got some big old freaking hands, and it was, I mean, they fit. I ain't gonna lie. I thought I was gonna bust out of them, but yeah, they fit. And you also get your nice little manual, which, yes, I did read. Pretty much tells you how to take care of it. So we're gonna throw all this to the side, and we're gonna get some specs for you. So what we got here is a nice little brush, and it ain't really little, but it is very well made, I will say that. A lot of things, so mainly what you get is, like I said, you get your stainless steel brush head, and as you can see, it is black. It ain't supposed to be, and that's just from me using it. And as you can see, my hands, yeah, they are, it's pretty bad. And while I'm doing this, I think I'm going to grab those gloves, because I'm going to show you how to take this thing apart. So then you also get your nylon right here. That one right there, pretty much what you want to do is your nylon, you can use that to clean pretty much anything. You can use this not even just on grills. I mean, you can put this on like countertops. So any like porcelain or something like that, you need something to scrub. Oh yeah, you got it right here. You can use this. Matter of fact, I used both of them on my grill just to see how they were going to be. But see what I'm saying? These kind of tight, But like I said, you get the 2 heads on here. You also get, like I said, the charger. This thing, pretty much you can almost get anywhere with it. You have this little button right here. If you press that button, that button's going to allow you to move the head. All right, you can go up to 180 degrees. So if you're not familiar with that, it means you can start here and you can go all the way around to here. And that's what I'm going to show you. We go here and here and here and here. So any place you need to get, you can get with this thing. It's actually pretty versatile. I actually used this on my grill. So we was fixing a barbecue over the weekend. I figure, hey, you know, might as well try this thing out. I got it in on the weekend, so I'm like, let's try this bad boy out. So I charged it up, and it did come pretty much fully charged, to be honest with you. It's actually, when you turn it on, you will see it's on, full blown. So that's there's your medium speed. There's your low speed, and that's your stop. So you have 3 speeds on this. It is not, if you're thinking this joker is going to really rev and really go with it, no, it's not made for that. Like I said, I'll do this again. Here is your high speed. And guys, this is actually moving pretty decent. Medium speed. And your low. Yes, if you put a lot of pressure on this, you can stop it. I mean, it's a little motor. It's just all there is to it. But it is actually pretty nice. One thing you can do is, as far as changing out the heads on this thing, it is really, really easy. All you have to do, there's this little handle right here that you pop up right there. Make sure you have it turned off. Don't do this while it's running, okay? We know this, so let's use a little common sense here. But take this, grab it, and all you have to do is pull. And yes, I just knocked the whole freaking thing off of my table here, but hey, it's been a bad day. I can't help it. Crap happens. But there that one is. We'll set that one aside. Grab your second one, and there is a place for it to line up. As you can see right here, how it's shaped. If you look in here, you will see where you have those little indentions right there. So just fit the shape to it. That's all you got to do. Pop it on there. You hear it click. Now you got your other one on there. You got the nylon. Runs same speed. High, medium, and low. Okay. I will tell you that I first tried the nylon out, and what I'm going to do is somewhere up here, I'm going to throw a video up of me actually cleaning my grill over the weekend, and it actually done a fairly decent job. I will tell you that I use this without heating up the griddle on there. I think it would work better if I would have done that. It was just me being anxious and just jumping into it and trying it out. But even with it not being hot, and this joker can actually, one thing about it, when I say you might want to preheat it, you know, get your fire going and all of that, get it kind of heat to kind of loosen a lot of that stuff up. This thing is actually rated up to 500 degrees. So you can go up to 500 degrees with this and it's fine. That's what they claim, that you can go up to that. So hot grills, as soon as you get through cooking, if you want to, you know, throw the stainless on there and hit it and clean it right then, you can do that. So I will tell you that it is a dirty job, and this joker will fling some stuff off of there. Make sure you wear an old shirt if you're doing it, or an apron, one of the two, because I was covered in it. So, and it's mainly because I was being ignorant and not making sure I had the guard facing me as I'm sitting here doing this, because I was flinging it everywhere. But yeah, it was actually pretty cool. Like I said, I'll throw some footage up here of me actually cleaning my grill. And it done a fairly good job. It knocked a lot of the big stuff off. I mean, there's that little bitty stuff guys, I mean, unless you just get in there with a freaking SOS pad or something like that and really scrub it, that's, you know, this is made to knock a lot of that big stuff off. Even if you heat it up, you probably could do it. But I use this for probably about 5-6 minutes on there. Brushes are not wore out. They're actually pretty nice. As you can see, like I said, they're supposed to be that color. That's the color they are now. And so you can tell I actually use this. So there's that. Like I said, this can be used on all kinds of tops. You can actually put this on like any type of grill. So, you know, your grill grates, you can also put this on. It can be used as for ceramic, but make sure you use the nylon. You can use this on gas grills. You can do this on charcoal grills. You can put this on cast iron. You can do it on stainless steel. So this thing has you covered. Now, this is the one thing that I'm going to tell you right now, guys, that your wives are going to love, because I know mine did when I told her we could do this. These heads are dishwasher safe. So they don't have to stay cruddy like this. They are dishwasher safe. So that right there is a plus in itself. So your charger is right here. Put that on there. This right here actually does come out, and this is actually what's kind of cool, is that pops off, and I don't know if you can see that inside there, but there you can actually take like a handle. So like the old broom handles, the wooden ones that you can use, or the you know, the fiberglass ones that you can screw like a broom head on. You can do that on this too. I thought that was really cool. So if you have like a really big pit that you can't get to, and I'm sitting here about to knock my hat off. Hope y'all like my hat. I got a new one. Haha. But you get that in there, and you can really, really reach back there with one of those handles on there. So the company's kind of pretty much thought of everything on this. So, but yeah, like I said, you know, I've already probably put it up, but you see that. Big question. Would SEMO-MAC buy this if it wasn't sent to him? And the answer to that is, yeah, actually I would. It's actually it's made well. I can't even get that back in there. It is made very well. I think it will last. The question will be the heads, how long they last. But other than that, I mean, y'all, price on them ain't bad. Y'all know me, I don't like discussing price because they fluctuate all the time. But yeah, I mean, you're looking, I don't know the full price, but it's not bad at all. I mean, really, to keep your grill clean, you're good. And another thing I want to hit on this is, you know, there's always been reports about using stainless steel or using metal to clean your metal bristles to clean your grills, stuff like that. They do state in here that these will not come out. The way they're made, how they're pressed in, stuff like that, you don't have to worry about that. So, but yeah, y'all, I mean, dishwasher safe, the heads are, that's a big plus. It does clean pretty good. I didn't really have a problem with it. It knocked all the big stuff off my grill. It probably would have done better if I would have heated it up. But hey, new toy, had to play. So that's just the way it was. So with that being said, what does SEMO-MAC think? SEMO-MAC thinks, yeah, I would buy it. I would. There's a lot of these out on the market, price-wise compared to the other ones. I mean, they're right there in line, probably actually a little bit cheaper, to be honest with you. But for a 180-degree cleaning option of all your angles, yeah, it's a no-brainer. This will be something you need to pick up for this summer. Definitely for your grilling needs. Keep that grill clean. You know what I'm saying? I understand its flavor. Keep it clean. So, sanitary. But with that being said, I feel like Michael Jackson here with my one glove. Hee hee. Oh well. With that being said, hey, this is SEMO-MAC telling you to always be kind and have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I'm out. Peace.